Good morning. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today we are going to discuss about max sums and reasoning sums from TNPSC question paper which was held at April 2021. And the name of the exam is Agricultural Extension Officer. Today we are going to see about fifth sum. The sum is the curved surface area of a right circular cone of height 15 centimeter and base diameter is 16 centimeter find out the area. Okay, this is the question. The curved surface area of a right circular cone of height 15 centimeter and base diameter is 16 centimeter. Find the area. Okay, here the height is 15 centimeter and the base diameter is 16 centimeter. What we have to do to find the radius? Yes, R is equal to D divided by 2. Means 16 divided by 2 gives 8 centimeter. The area of right circular cone is pi or L. To find out the area of the right circular cone is pi or L. There is a formula to find the area of right circular cone. Okay, but here the length is not given, only height and diameter are given. To find out the L, there is a formula. To find out the length of the right circular cone is h square plus r square in terms of centimeter. Here the height is given and the radius also we found out. So length is equal to h is 15 the whole square plus r is 16. Diameter is 16, r is 8 the whole square. Therefore the length equal to 225 plus 64 which is root of 289. If we take the square root of 289, what comes? Yes, 9, 49, 17 centimeter. Hence we found out the length equal to 17 centimeter. By using this length, and we already found out the R and pi value is 22 by 7. We already know pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Hence we substitute in this formula. A equal to pi r L, which is 22 by 7 into What's the radius? 8. And what's the center length? L. If we found out for 3.14, just multiply this. Okay. If you multiply this, we get the answer at 136 pi. Here centimeter, here centimeter, so centimeter square. Here they kept pi as same. In answer they have given 4 options. From that options only we have to choose the correct answer. Here they are giving 136 pi. 17 into 8 are 136 and they keep this pi as same. Okay. Hence the answer is 136 pi centimeter square. Now we are moving to next sum. If you have any doubt, please ask me. The sixth sum. A machine bought at rupees 50,000 fall in its value by 8% of its value every year. Find the value of machine after 2 years. Yeah, a machine was bought at rupees 50,000. Fall its value by 8% of its value every year. Find the value of machine after 2 years. Okay, a machine was bought for 50,000 and its value get reduced 8% every year. Find the value after 2 years. What will be the machine's value after 2 years? Okay. Here the cost price they given us 50,000 and the interest is 8%. Number of years is 16. For depreciation there is a formula. For depreciation of machine or any kind of object there is a formula which is P into 1 minus R by 100 the whole power n. Here the P is 50,000. The principal amount they spend to buy a machine is 50,000. 1 minus R. R is rate of interest. Rate of interest which is 8% by 100 and the years, number of years of depreciation. N is equal to 2 years. Depreciation years is 2. After 2 years depreciation we have to find the machine's value. So here 50,000 into 1 into 100. 100 minus 8 is 92 divided by 100. Here 2 times. So 92 into 100 we are getting 2 times. For 4 zeros we are dividing this 50,000. So it cancel 0. On multiplying this we can get 4 2 3 2 0. Okay, multiply it separately. So answer is 42320. Okay, and this is the formula for depreciation. Okay, so these are two sums today from the question paper, and remaining 19 sums are there. We will see in upcoming videos. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy day.